Hi everyone, this is Rita from Landpack machine. Today it's my great honor here to introduce our powder packing machine, model LD420D. It's suitable for milk powder, coffee powder, flour, and so on. Okay, the following is the basic specifications. The range of bed length is from 80 to 300 mm, and the bed width is from 60 to 200 mm, and the weight, it can measure from 10 to 5,000 grams, and the speed, it could be 5 to 16 beds per minute, but it depends on the product. This machine consists of 4 parts. The first part is the screw conveyor, from here to there. Pour the powder inside the tank till you can reach here, and you can cover it to against the dust. Then you can see the powder from this transparent hole. Powder will go up by screw conveyor. There is a screw like this inside the tube, but bigger one inside, and it will rotate to transfer the powder to measuring machine. The second part is the screw measuring machine. It has stirring device and measuring screw device. Stirring device is to make the powder fall down evenly, while the screw is to measure the weight. The third part is the made packer. From here to the bottom, this one is the most important part, is to make bags to pack powder. Here is the bag former. Please kindly note that one bag former is just suitable for one bag width. If you have other width, need to change the formers. And here is the horizontal sealing device. And at the back of this bag is the vertical sealing. It's at the back. The temperature of them need to reach the recommendation. The green number is our recommendations temperature. So the horizontal and the vertical temperature need to reach the green one that you can make the sealing. You could change the language on touch screen and set the parameters by yourself. You see, you can adjust the bed length, the speed. Here, the same. You can adjust the product weight and auger speed. The air cylinders are airtight. Here is the date printer. If you want to amend date, you need to take it out. It's very easy. Push and twist. Okay, here is the characters. And if you want to change the character, you need to twist down these screws. Then you can change. After that, you need to install it. Just similar like just same as just now. At the back of the made packer is to fix the film, like this. From here to connect to the bag former, which is in front of the made packer. Here is the date printer located. It prints the dates on the film. It's here. The fourth part is the finished product conveyor. This one, it is to transfer the product from manufacturer to outside. It's a better way to protect goods. Now let's change to electrical apparatus elements. All we apply are the world famous brands. The PLC servo motor are Panasonic. The feeder is Schneider. And this one is the nitrogen generator. It's just for option. Here is our date printer to print the date. Here is the sample. You can see it's very clear and strong. Okay, that's all today. Thank you for watching very much. If you have any questions, please contact with us by below website. If the machine is not suitable for your product, we will recommend the right one for you. Okay, bye.